Guys, I wanted to show you this niacinamide lotion that I've been using, serum. It also has rice extract. As I'm aging, I definitely find that my skincare is just like more and more important, and I'm just trying to find different things that work for me, and this product is one of them. For me, I've been using it because of like pigmentation, so I want to make my skin more even tone and calm down the redness. A lot of it has to do with just being in the sun for too long. So this bottle is really pretty. It's like a very nice glass bottle. You get a decent amount in here with the pump. You do a couple pumps and you apply to your clean face before you do like anything else, like moisturize or anything. It smells really nice. It's very faint, the scent to it, but there is a scent. It's super like pleasant smelling, but not overpowering or perfume smelling at all. My face just feels like very hydrated. The plumpness for like any of the fine lines, and just will help with like any of those uneven skin tone, my uneven skin tone that I have as I've aged. It also has the rice extract in it, which you could read about, but really happy with this product. I definitely will keep ordering it and put it into my skincare routine after I cleanse my face, before I moisturize, or even underneath makeup. Definitely, if you're looking for something like this, I would give this one a try.